Today we are here to celebrate these 3 days of our Constitution. As you all know, that ours is the largest and biggest nation. It's a very diverse nation. There's no one religion, there's no one caste, there's no one group. So, how can there be a constitution related to one category of caste, color, religion, and individual? I'm deliberately delivering my speech in English so that you can have a habit of listening to English words. I myself forgot for a while that I was an English teacher because in the recent past I have started speaking in Urdu, and a teacher realized me that, sir, for the in the past few programs I didn't hear from you in English. Let's take a pause here. So where were we? I was saying that a teacher suggested me to start speaking in English again. So I decided that henceforth you will find me speaking in English in all the programs that will be held in our school campus. So students, here we are to celebrate our Constitution. And in the recent speeches by various students and teachers, they explained you in full about what our Constitution is, when it was made, how much time did it take to develop, prepare, and enforce this Constitution of ours. Students, this Constitution is the lengthiest handwritten constitution of the world. American Constitution was also handwritten, but our Constitution is more lengthier than the American Constitution. And our Constitution, articles of our Constitution is derived from Canadian, France, Irish, and American constitutions, British constitutions. So it is an amalgamation, it is a mixture of various other countries' constitutions and their articles. So all the good things are taken from there and included in our constitution. It was a very hard work, but our forefathers worked very hard and make an all-inclusive, comprehensive constitution so that our next generation can live in peace and harmony. Let me ask you something. What is constitution basically? What is constitution? Constitution क्या है? दस्तूर क्या, किसे कहेंगे? Simply, it's a set of rules and nothing else. What is constitution? It is a set of rules and fundamental principles. Right? As you can say, if you can observe at your home has also some fundamentals, principles and rules to be abided by. You cannot go out anywhere, anytime from your house and come back anytime and anywhere into your house. Can you? No? If you observe our school, this school has got a set of rules that we all teachers and headmasters and peons and clerks must abide by. We cannot run our school in the way we want. No. We have to run our school according to the rules dictated by the government to us. As they notify us, we run our school likewise. So how can a big nation like ours without constitution will be run after? It was impossible. That's why the constitution is made, prepared, and on 26th of January 1950 it was came into effect. And it took, I think many of you have also already said that 2 years. How many months? कितने महीने? बोलिए, आपने सुना है. 2 months, 18 months, 2 years, 2 years, 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. है ना? It's a long period. So what I'm saying is to you is that it is a set of rules. It is a guideline for all of us to lead our life. We cannot lead our life in the way we want. We cannot do anything we want, but we have to be judged by the dictates, the rules and the principles government gave to us. If you are abided by the rules and principles, you will not find any trouble whatsoever in your life. If you are not abided by the rules and guiding principles, you will find yourself in jail. So our constitution says that you are free to live, but you are not totally free to live. There are some limitations. As it gives you freedom, it also imposes some limitations. There are duties that we have to perform. There are responsibilities. There are rights that we should have. Right? You have the right to express yourself, to propagate your religion, right? To make your points clear. If somebody is stopping you from this, you can lodge a complaint against him and got your issues solved. So this is all about constitution, and on this day, on this particular day, I will advise you and suggest you to abide by the rules. To abide by the rules. Be in discipline. Make your life a disciplined life. A disciplined life is a successful life. Don't you agree with me? A disciplined life is a successful life. If you wake up early in the morning, you get good health, freshness, right? And if you get up late in the morning, what happens? You feel lethargic, lazy, right? And you don't eat your breakfast on time. Because of that, again problems, compounds started happens. Okay? So on this day, I will only suggest and advise you to be disciplined, because a disciplined man is liked by all. A disciplined man is liked by all. अगर आप डिसिप्लिन में रहते हो तो आपको सब पसंद करेंगे. इनडिसिप्लिन मैन इज़ नॉट लाइक्ड बाय एनीवन. अगर आपके घर में कोई बच्चा है जो बदतमीज़ है लेकिन दिखने में बहुत खूबसूरत है, लेकिन फिर भी वो किसी और को, आपको तो पसंद आएगा क्योंकि माँ को तो अपना बच्चा कैसा भी हो पसंद ही आता है, लेकिन बाहर वाले क्या उसको पसंद करेंगे? नहीं. लेकिन ए डिसिप्लिन चाइल्ड, हाउएवर ugly and foolish he may be, he will be liked by all. चाहे वो कितना भी बदसूरत हो, अहमक हो, बेवकूफ़ हो, लेकिन वो डिसिप्लिन्ड है, बदतमीज़ है, बदतमीज़ नहीं है, तो वो सब जगह क्या होगा? उसको लाड किया जाएगा, पसंद किया जाएगा. तो इसी तरह से हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी हमको यही पैगाम देता है कि इफ़ वी आर अबाइड बाय द रूल्स एंड गाइडलाइंस दैट आर देयर इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, वी विल ऑल्सो बी लाइक्ड बाय ऑल, वी विल ऑल्सो बी प्रेज्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, एंड वी कैन शेयर आवर contribution in the development, in the growth of our country. Finally, I congratulate all those who have showed their faith and guts to come up here on the stage and deliver their speeches. Because coming up here on the stage and delivering speeches is not a cup of everybody's tea. So, finally, I congratulate all and those who have made their efforts in making this program successful. I'm thanking them all too. Thank you very much. Good day.